Hi, Donna here from Badger State Speechy. I had a request from Stitch, I believe, to make a video on how to create an assignment for speech and language that you can use in your Google Classroom. So right now I am going to go ahead and screen share. And right now you should be able to see the Google site. And if you go up to the 9 boxes menu, and you're going to go to Classroom. You should already have a Google Classroom. If you don't, you can go to my video on TPT, Badger State Speechy, and do a search for how to make a Google Classroom for speech and language. So to resume, once we have our classroom up, we click on our classroom. And then at the top, you're going to see 4 words, and one of them is classwork. Click on classwork. Then there is a plus and the word create. You're going to click on that. And then it's going to give you a drop-down menu. Now there's lots of different assignments you can create. I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz assignment. Now it's not actually a quiz assignment. Remember, this was created for the regular ed folks. But we're going to modify it a little bit and make it a speech and language assignment. So click on quiz assignment and you will get the template for your assignment. So once you do that, you will get something that says blank quiz. Click on it. And here you can see the template for it. Now, there is an untitled question here. And I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to write in something like, let's practice our L words. And then next to the question box, you're going to see this icon, which means image. You're going to click on the image icon, and that is going to take you to a couple of different options. Now for today, we're going to do Google image search, but you can also insert images from your camera by URL, photos from your Google Drive, or for these purposes, because I think this will probably serve most of you the best, we're going to click on Google image search. And then you go in the search. And since we're creating something for L words, I'm going to do a search for the word lemon. Ooh, look at that. So for those of you that don't have clip art ready to go, this is perfect. So find the image that you like of a lemon. I'm going to just take this first one, and then you're going to go down and click on insert. Give it a minute and you will see that now you have your lemon inserted into your blank quiz, which is really a speech and language assignment. You can use the blue border here. Go click on the box. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on what your needs are. Now you have your image, and now you have exactly what you want to do. What you want to do next is go to this drop-down menu. It's going to give you a ton of choices, but for this particular assignment, we're going to go to checkbox grid. I clicked on checkbox grid, and it came up with some rows and some checkboxes. I like to use this because then the kids can check it off after they have done that particular assignment, or done that particular word, I should say. So you're going to see 2 rows. Row 1, click on it, and you could put something like say the word. And then in row 2, you could click on say the word in a sentence. And you can keep adding rows if you want, but for these purposes, that's what we're going to do. So far you have the image of a lemon, you have let's practice our L words, and you have 2 sentences telling them that you want them to say the word and then to say it in a sentence. Now, what you can do is if you feel like this is a student that needs particular reminders, maybe you can just add in the question box, don't forget to have your tongue touch your top teeth. You could even put another image in there about how the L sound looks when it's made in the mouth. If you have one, if you have clip art of one, or you could search Google for one as well. So here is the very best part of this all. Now all you have to do is go to the bottom, see right here where there's the duplicate icon. You press that, and it will make a duplicate of your first part of the assignment. And that's going to save you a lot of time, so don't forget to do that. So you could just keep the question, let's practice our L words, don't forget to have your tongue touch your teeth. Or you could change that and put the name of the picture if you want. So for example, I could put lips here. Oops, sorry, lips. Then I'm going to click on the lemon picture, and I'm going to do a Google image search. I'm going to look for a different word. So let's look for the word lips. For the purposes of the video, I'm just going to pick this one. Click on insert, and you can see it changed the lemon picture to a picture of lips. I'm going to make it smaller. And then you can still use your next 2 sentences, say the word in a sentence. And then you would duplicate that, and so on and so on. And once you get the hang of it, it really won't take very long. And then you can either upload it into your classroom, or you can send it for an assignment, or store it in your drive, whatever you want. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial on how to make an assignment for your Google Classroom. Thank you.